In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Payoneer account name. Whether you've recently changed your name legally, or you simply want your Payoneer account to reflect a different name, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to make those changes smoothly. First, let's start by heading over to the Payoneer website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Payoneer homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Remember to keep your login details handy and ensure you're logging into the correct account. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage various account settings. From this drop-down, you'll want to click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can access and edit different aspects of your account. Next, look for Profile Settings within the Settings menu. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page containing your personal information. This is the area where you'll be able to make the necessary changes to your account name. Once you're on the Profile Settings page, find the section labeled Name and Email. This section specifically deals with your personal identifiers on Payoneer. Click on it and you'll see your current name and email displayed. To make changes, you'll need to click on the Edit button. This will open a new window where you can initiate the process of changing your name. At this stage, you'll see an option labeled Request Name Change. Click on it to proceed. Payoneer requires you to provide a reason for your name change, so you'll need to select the appropriate reason from the list provided. Options typically include legal name change, spelling correction, or other personal reasons. Bear in mind that Payoneer might request additional documentation to verify your name change, especially if it's due to legal reasons. Be prepared to provide identification or legal documents if prompted. This is a standard security measure to ensure the authenticity of the request and protect your account from unauthorized changes. Once you have selected the reason for changing your name, follow any additional instructions provided by Payoneer to complete the process. This may involve submitting documents or waiting for a confirmation email. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of changing your Payoneer account name. Make sure to check your email for any follow-up instructions or confirmations from Payoneer, and keep an eye on your account to ensure the changes have been correctly applied. If you encounter any issues, Payoneer's customer support is always available to assist you further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.